Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail. We're 2 for 2, 2 Mondays. We're back on track to making the mixology.
Maybe. Tuesday, Monday.
We're getting there. Anyway, I'm Caroline, this is Robbie. Caroline's here to show you how we're going to make our drink today. What are we making today, Caroline?
Today we are doing the Catawba Cooler. This was made by our friends Amanda Britton and Larry Stubbs in Charlotte. Some
Excellent
awesome
bartenders.
mixologists. Yeah.
Very good at their craft.
Yeah, love their drinks.
All right, so how do we do this?
We're going to start with 2 ounces of coconut rum.
That's 2 ounces per drink.
Per drink,
We're going to put 2 drinks in this shaker here.
Yes, sir. Our Coconut Carolina Rum is awesome. Fantastic this time of year, too. It's been amazing.
Alright, get 2 ounces of that.
And it's 70 proof, so be careful. A lot of the big coconut rums are only 42 proof, so we kicked it up a notch. Then we're going to do 4 slices of cucumber per drink, so we'll do an 8 in here.
Alright,
Muddle, I'd say muddle those.
Alright.
Cucumber first.
We're going to muddle this into the shaker.
Mm-hmm.
And again, we have not located our muddler, so we're back to the spatula. Muddler is MIA, man, that coconut. This is English cucumber.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Yeah, I love that smell.
This should be a candle right here, man. The coconut cucumber.
Coconut cucumber candle. Mm.
Stay tuned for Muddy River candles.
Muddy River candle
I want to
code.
figure out how to make them. I've been working on that for a long time now.
It is another dream of yours. Distillery and
Coconut candle
main
factory.
candles.
Main candle. Alright, half ounce of lemon per drink. Half ounce of lemon is pretty much 1 squeezed. Or half a lemon squeezed, so we're doing 2 drinks, so it'll take the entire.
Half an ounce. Good squeezing. Work those guns. Yeah. Then I'll do us a little cucumber garnish as well.
Alright, so you said shake that.
Yep.
I'll stick some ice in here.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Nice. That's the part that always scares me. I can never get it to pop off.
And we're going to strain that into a glass.
Don't waste a single cube around this guy. And then we're going to top this off with coconut water. Ta-da. Nice and refreshing. Great job.
Give that a stir.
Fabulous.
I haven't had one of these in a while. Alright. And that's the Catawba Cooler.
Oh yeah, we gotta take a picture of it.
Yes. Next time. Or this time, yeah. Alright, well, we hope you guys liked that video. Link to the recipe is in the description below. Check us out in your local liquor store where you can find our products for sale. Also, you can buy us every Wednesday and Saturday at the distillery from noon to 5.
Rum and hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah, check us out for hand sanitizer.
And there's more details about that on our website as well.
Put the website link in the description below. Alright, everybody stay safe and enjoy the Catawba Cooler. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.